Hey everyone, this is Jay Grazio with Shooting Illustrated, and we're coming to you from SHOT Show 2024 here in the Walther booth, looking at some of the new guns Walther has for 2024. What we have here right now is the new PDP Compact Steel. This is the Walther PDP that you've come to know and love, but with a steel frame rather than a polymer one. This is the compact version. It has a 4-inch barrel, 18-round capacity, and it's optics ready. With Walther, what you do is you buy the gun, you tell Walther what optic you have, and they'll send you a plate to match that footprint. This particular pistol is $16.99, and if you're looking for more information on this and other new guns from Walther, visit waltherarms.com and stay tuned to shootingillustrated.com for more new guns and gear from 2024.